Hello everyone, myself Tonira. Here I am presenting my Python mini project which is a reminder app. So basically what this app does is it gives us a reminder of whatever we want within whatever time we select. And also with it takes a random word from a dictionary, or English dictionary, and shows its meaning with whatever it is, like noun, adjective, verb. So basically for this, in this project, what I have done is I have imported a random library so that it can select a random word from the txt file which I have imported in our folder. Also, I imported a time library which takes a time as a system time as for a timer. So now I imported the notification from the player library from PHP, and also a Py dictionary library is also taken so that a randomly selected word can get its meaning from by using this Py dictionary function. So now this Py dictionary I have imported in the dictionary word. So now what does this basically, what I have done in my project is I have defined a function which is a defined word which takes a word from the function getWord. So now what this getWord is, getWord takes a random word from our dictionary word file which we have imported, and from that word it selects a random word and then it is written in the getWord function. So this defined word takes that word, written word, and find its meaning in our Py dictionary library which we have imported. So, and then that whole thing is going get is being inserted in our variable a. Now that variable is returned in a defined word function. So lastly what we have done, that is we imported the notification library by player. So here we used that. So this notification, what does this notification library do? It notifies whatever we want to get notified. For example, I want to get notified that please drink water, and within a time, so how many times that the notification come, it stays for 2 seconds, and after every 5 seconds it again gives me the notification. So beyond that, the message will be shown, that is the defined word library returned a. So what in the a we have imported, that is a word from a get word function here, right? And also its meaning that we have find from the Py dictionary, and also it shows whether it is noun, adjective, verb, adverb, whatever it is. Now by running it I'll show you. As you can see, it gives me the notification. After every 5 seconds it will give me new notification, and new word will become here. Now after 5 seconds it will give me new notification. And so this way our application goes and goes on until we takes off. If even I close the VS Code, then even this will work. If I cut off this, then even it will continue to give me for it I have to do Control C to come out from our function. Thank you.